In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install the SentriKey Real Estate App. The SentriKey app allows you to open and manage SentriLock lockboxes. To install the app, go to your device's App Store. Then search for SentriKey. Tap on the Get or Download button for the SentriKey Real Estate app. Once the download is complete, tap on Open. The SentriKey app may ask for permission to send you notifications and to use your location. Go ahead and tap on Allow. The SentriKey app will ask you to agree to a Terms of Use agreement. Read the terms and then tap on Agree. If the SentriKey app asks for permission to use Bluetooth, tap on Allow. This will allow the app to open Bluetooth lockboxes. Next, enter your SentriLock username and password. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password. If you don't remember your username, you can look that up in the SentriLock web app that is accessed via your MLS dashboard. The SentriKey app will ask you to agree to another user agreement. Read the agreement and tap on Agree. The app will ask you to set some personal options like the Agent Safety feature or Face ID. If you tap on Not Now, you'll be able to set it up later in My Settings. Finally, the app will show you some instructions on where to find the menu. The menu is where you can access your actions and settings. The instructions also show you how to access Bluetooth and non-Bluetooth lockboxes. Read through these instructions, then tap on Dismiss. In order to access SentriLock lockboxes, you'll need to know your 4-digit PIN. If you don't know your PIN, you can change it by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right. Then tap on the pencil icon at the upper right. From there, you would tap on Change PIN. You'll need to enter your password, your new PIN, and then tap on Save. To make accessing lockboxes easier, SentriKey lets you use Face or Touch ID to access lockboxes without having to enter a PIN. To set it up, tap on the hamburger menu in the upper left, tap on My Settings, then tap on the switch to toggle Enable Face ID. Tap on the Enable Face ID button to confirm your choice. This message is letting you know that if you want, you can turn off Face ID later. Tap on Continue. To get back to the home screen, we'll tap on the icon in the upper left. We'll tap on the Close button, and then we tap on the home screen. And that's it. Your SentriKey app is ready to open lockboxes.